Everything you need to know about camping but were afraid to ask. Whether you choose to go camping by yourself or take the whole family, few destinations make for such amazing fun and adventure. Learn how to make the most of your time with nature in the great outdoors, by watching the following tips that will guide you to the best camping trip ever. Reserve your spot at a campground as soon as possible. Particularly in the summer, many people are interested in camping with their families. If you make your reservation in the winter, you are much more likely to get the best rate possible. Those savings can translate into additional family fun while on your vacation. If you are going on a camping adventure, make sure you have enough time to set up camp before dark. It can be extremely difficult to set up camp in the dark and possibly unsafe. You need to be able to scout the terrain, prepare bedding, and possibly build some temporary shelter prior to the sun going down. Do plenty of research on your camping site and ensure that it offers everything that your group will need. Consider the individual needs of each camper to ensure that everyone is taken care of. This alleviates the need to make supply runs, or worst case, have to end the trip too soon. All participants should have a say in where you go camping. Talk about the state you wish to see. Try to keep a small list, as there is such an abundance of spots to choose from, it can be hard to pick one. It may be easier to choose a few front runners and have family members vote. As a courtesy to other campers, don't leave your lighting on overnight, if you are close to others. Pack a timer that you can attach to your lights that will automatically shut them off after a certain time. Leaving lights on overnight is a popular complaint among most American campers. If you'd like to prevent mosquito bites, but want to avoid using harsh chemicals, use an orange peel instead. Rub the orange peel over exposed areas of the skin, such as the neck, arms, face and legs to naturally repel mosquitoes. Not only will the orange peels feel better on your skin than traditional repelling chemicals, but they will smell better, too. Learning and living with nature is one of the best ways to spend your hard-earned vacation time. Pack and prepare with everything you need to make your camping adventure a success, and be sure to keep all the tips from this video in mind to make it go more smoothly. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.